200G QSFP-DD SR8 transceiver is designed for 200 gigabits Ethernet links over multimode fiber. It uses 8x25G 850 Ni VCSEL lasers array and 8-pin photodetector to achieve 100 meters transmission. The optical interference is NPO24 receptacle. It is compliant with the QSFP-DD MSA and IEEE 802.3bn 100G base SR4. The transmitter and receiver both have CDR read time. For the electrical interface, the module is featured by low power consumption with 4 watts in max. For the optical and electrical performance test, our Gigalight DCAX8610D oscilloscope is used as a digital communications analyzer to test this module's transmit performance, and an RS2 MP2110A signal quality analyzer is used as 4x25 gigabit programmable pattern generator and error detector to test the receiver performance. Electronic thermochipper is used to control test module case temperature. First, clean patch cord connector and face. Then insert the patch cord connector into the receptacle of the optical module under test. Second, insert this module into the cage that is mounted on the evaluation test board. Attention is being paid to its proper contact of temperature sensor of the thermal chamber with manual housing for each test. For transmitter performance test, on the eye diagram of the oscilloscope from the optical eye diagram shown here, the average optical power is about 1 dBm. The extinction ratio is about 4.1 dB. The jitter peak to peak is about 6.7 picosecond. The jitter is about 1.43 picosecond. The rise time is about 31.5 picosecond. The fall time is about 33.2 picosecond, and its eye mask margin is about 50.6%. The board display shows that no bit errors have been detected for all 8 channels over 100 meters multimode fiber transmission by setting different attenuation. We can control the optical power and input into the receiver side of module under test to obtain a bird curve. Usually we test this bird curve from a bit array rate from about 5 times 10 to the minus 5 to about 1 times 10 to the minus 12, as shown below.